the love in. Let the healing take place. A choice. And Robert, I would tell you that there's really only one reason. The water's 50 degrees. Get out of it. And you are whole. You are complete. You are perfect. Yes. Carol. A meme came across my phone this morning, and it says, I am a masterpiece and a work in progress at the same time. You are a masterpiece. A masterpiece. Each and every one of you are masterpieces. Breathe into that truth. You're a masterpiece of love, of wisdom, of understanding, of wholeness. Thank you for being here. Thank you for sharing who you are. Today we're going to do a ceremony to welcome the 16 prayer chaplains back into service here at Unity San Francisco. These people, these souls, have dedicated themselves to their own practice of prayer. Spent a whole weekend away with Deanne and immersed themselves in the principles of the understanding and of releasing what no longer serves them. And they have continual practice and trainings that go on all year long so that they may serve us. The greatest gift you can give them today is to pray with them. It's to pray with them. But I'm going to participate in this ceremony here where I'm going to give them their stoles. I'm going to invite them up one at a time and give them their stoles and tell them exactly, their prayer stoles, what they mean to me. Deanne and I are both wearing our prayer stoles, and they represent our journey into Unity ministry. And I received this one at my ordination, and Deanne received hers at her licensing. She will get one, hopefully looks very similar to mine, at her ordination in less than 2 years. And each step along the way brings us to our ultimate destination. We don't think we're done by any stretch of the imagination. So what I'm inviting us all in today to do is every word we hear in this ritual, this ceremony, know that I am speaking it to your heart, to your soul. And this ritual becomes all of our meditation, our knowing of the divine truth of our being, of our masterpiece of love, wisdom, and understanding. Lisa.
When I pray, I feel my heart go deeper, my heart go deeper into my God. When I pray, I feel my heart go deeper, my heart go deeper into my
by you. At Memorial Day, when we all held our bulbs and walked in ritual and came here and planted them on this very platform and cried for what it represents and loved what it will be. Today we will use these gladiolas as a way of also blessing our prayer chaplains, understanding that the intention that we bring to each act of our lives manifests in beautiful glory. So, Errol Roloffs, would you please come forward?
He is a prayer chaplain emeritus.
Errol, we are honored by the amazing wisdom of your heart. Your soul shines so brightly and beautifully to each and every person in this community. We know that your internal flame has kept prayer consciousness alive in this community for decades. And that the love you have given with each prayer, with each act of service, continues to go out and expand like ripples on the pond, forever changing the lives of the people you touch and the world around us. It is my great honor. It is my pleasure. It is my joy to recognize you as our prayer chaplain emeritus and say thank you for being my friend, my prayer partner, and my rock.
Errol, your consciousness is a light to all of us. You are a blessing. You have anchored this prayer chaplain community, and we, all of us, say thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Marty Carls.
Errol. Senior prayer chaplain.
Marty, it is my honor to stand here with you and to know the joy and the wisdom of your heart. The journey of your life is the source of inspiration, is the rock on which we rest our principles. Knowing that there is no difference between knowing and manifestation, between intention and demonstration. You are beautiful. You are wisdom. You are light. It is my honor to put this stole on you, to honor you as a senior prayer chaplain of Unity San Francisco. Namaste.
Marty, you have blessed us with your consciousness, and you are such a light in this world. Your joy, your laughter, your commitment, and your willingness to serve is an inspiration to each of us. It is my joy to have you as a senior prayer chaplain at Unity San Francisco.
Dave Cooperberg.
Senior prayer chaplain.
Dave, as I look into your face, I see the face of kindness, of love, of compassion, of healing, and wholeness. I know the truth of your being. The light that shines from you is that of a healer, of a kind and generous friend, and a strong and faithful servant. We are honored to honor you as our senior prayer chaplain, and it is my pleasure, once again, to give you your prayer chaplain stole.
Oh, Dave, you are such a light in our community. You anchor so many pieces, the way you serve, the way you say yes, your wisdom, your compassion, and your unflagging capacity to just be fully present has blessed all of us. It is my joy to have you be a senior prayer chaplain here at Unity San Francisco.
Robert Kane.
Senior prayer chaplain.
Robert, what a joy. We talk, we pray, we commiserate and kibitz. And your talk exemplified the light of your soul. Where's the logic? Where's the reason? Where's the principle? Where's the heart? The two come together in you in a beautiful, gorgeous, powerful force of prayer, mind, action. To have you as a prayer chaplain, a senior prayer chaplain here at Unity is our blessing, is our grace, and the world is forever changed. 50-degree water can't stop you. So I am delighted to bestow this stole on you, knowing that you are the gift. And so it is.
Oh, Robert. We pray together, we laugh together, we share together. I feel so blessed by your consciousness, by your clarity of principle, by your willingness to be changed and transformed, and by your continued willingness to show up, and to show up, and to show up in new ways, in new expressions every single time. You are a light, you evolving, always evolving being. So it is my honor and my pleasure to welcome you once again as a senior prayer chaplain at Unity San Francisco. Love you.
Ray Kingsley.
Prayer chaplain returning.
Oh, dear Ray, dear friend, your honesty, integrity, vulnerability, your truthfulness shines forth like a light. Your willingness to question everything and your steadfastness in doing that is a blessing to us all. And it's a great honor to walk each step of this journey at Unity San Francisco with you. And it is my honor today to add this prayer stole one more time as a reminder that each question brings you to truth, that each affirmation brings you closer to wholeness. And that journey that you're on is a journey that we share, each and every one of us. Your willingness to be part of this with us lifts the planet. Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, Ray, you are such a gift. That questioning spirit that Ken mentioned has allowed all of us to grow, to evolve, to deepen. You anchor that. And I am so deeply grateful for your willingness to show up the way you do, to serve the way you do. You are such a light. I feel so blessed to know you and to stand with you, to pray with you, and to just be present right now with you. I am so honored to have you as a returning prayer chaplain at Unity San Francisco.
Sheree McCoy.
Returning prayer chaplain.
Sheree, you are beautiful. joyous, peaceful, wise, dedicated, loving, strong, and flexible. An amazing amalgam of love and other attributes. It is an honor to be part of your journey. It is an honor to serve with you. And it is an honor to give you this story as a returning prayer chaplain. The best is yet to be.
Oh, Cherie, how grateful I am that you are here, that you say yes again and again and again, and that you are continually willing to grow, to expand, to just deepen. It is beautiful to watch. It is beautiful to be supported by you in that consciousness that you cultivate and that you have such deep commitment to. It is my honor to have you return as a prayer chaplain here at Unity San Francisco. Thank you.
Francine Bravetti.
Returning prayer chaplain.
Ciao, Bella. Bella, Bella, Bella. Thank you, Francine. You show the power of no matter how many times you fall, you get up. Right? The tenacity. The honor to watch everything you go through and how you keep on, keeping on. Too loving and powerful and too dedicated not to. And let this sink in. Your ability to get up in the spite of hardship and to keep on and to show up and to become present and to pray and to be with others and to share is your power. Is your gift, and I won't let you deflect it. I love you. And we are honored to have you as part of this team.
Francine, what a gift you are. The way you anchor our pastoral understanding of supporting and being present for those who are in need of prayer. How that is present for you so clearly. Thank you. Thank you for all that energy and love and anchoring the wholeness for yourself and for this entire community. We are so grateful. It's my honor to have you be a returning prayer chaplain here at Unity San Francisco. Love you. And you're funny too. That's true. She's
That's
funny
true.
too.
Laura Taylor.
Returning prayer chaplain.
Laura, what a joy your life is. What a journey of understanding and compassion, of forgiveness, wholeness and health you have been on in this life, in this incarnation. We are grateful that you have so powerfully stepped up to serve here as a licensed Unity teacher and as a prayer chaplain. Having your presence, your consciousness, and your light here lifts us all, especially me. And I am honored to bestow this doll on you once again and know that you hold all of us in tender love. Thank you.
Oh, beauty. You are the embodiment of love. You are the embodiment of embodiment. So I am just so grateful for your wisdom, for your clarity, for your yes, for your showing up, that you just keep saying yes and keep reminding us all, feet on the ground, be here now. Thank you for this. Thank you. And it is an honor to have you return as a prayer chaplain here at Unity San Francisco. I love you too. Thank you.
Carol Dolan.
Returning prayer chaplain.
Thank you, Carol. Thank you. I remember when you showed up. And as she said, she showed up and then just never left. She was church shopping. What a steadfast presence you bring to our community. What an inquisitive and appreciative mind. What a gift of light, of love, of wholeness, of wisdom that you bring to each and every act you perform here. Your prayers are a blessing, a masterpiece, a joy, a life of their own, a knowing beyond description. It was my honor to welcome you back as a prayer chaplain. Namaste.
Oh, Carol, I am just so grateful for your yes, your continued yes. You just say yes. You say yes, and you say yes some more, and you say yes even more. Whatever that resistance is, you are always so willing to just say, what is that? You anchor that for the whole community. Your willingness, your fearlessness, the courage that you have. I am so grateful for your masterpieces of prayer, for they truly are that. I am so willing, so grateful, and I'm so willing to receive them, honestly. And I am so grateful to be able to say, welcome back as a prayer chaplain at Unity San Francisco. Love you.
Tyler Kruger.
Returning prayer chaplain.
Oh, dear Tyler, you bring an energy of clarity and rock solid support to everything that you touch. Your ability to be of service to others and yet be fully powerful and present as yourself is a true gift. You know that every prayer you say with me and now with the entire community will continue to resonate in the hearts and minds of hundreds, thousands, millions of lives. For each step and each word spoken by you is the voice of powerful change, loving compassion, and eternal wisdom. For you, I am truly grateful. So it is.
Oh, Tyler, the first time we prayed together, I was like, kindred soul. Your clarity of principle, your capacity to sit in those uncomfortable spaces, your willingness to move through that with such an open heart, with such a willingness to share and to be of service to all who may be experiencing whatever it is you're in the midst of, and your courage to just keep showing up again and again and again. You inspire me every day. I am so grateful for your love, for your support, and for that amazing consciousness of, oh, what is it? It's even beyond words, that you carry, that you own, and that you stand anchored as. It is my pleasure to welcome you back as a prayer chaplain at Unity San Francisco.
Connie, love you.
New light.
Oh.
These are our new prayer chaplains.
Oh. Look at you. You are just such beauty and grace, and you seem more powerful, stronger, and taller in this moment. Knowing that as you step into your true role, your authentic self, you step into authentic power. You are becoming who you are really meant to be. That agent of prayerful, loving support, change, healing, and wholeness in the world. I see your strength, your towering beauty, and your infinite wisdom. An honor to welcome you as a prayer chaplain at Unity San Francisco.
Oh, Connie, when you walked in that door that first day, I saw you. You are a blessing to this community. You are a blessing to the world. Your consciousness of love and of service is inspirational, and your prayers are magnificent. So it is my honor. She gets a new name tag. To welcome you as a prayer chaplain, New Light, to Unity, San Francisco. I love you.
Noel Rivero.
New Light.
Noel, I'm starting with the prayer of stole this time.
Frank's filming.
Thank you. Because this is an amazing journey. You bring a youthful energy and freshness to all of us, a questioning and dedicated mind, and each interaction with you has a quality of love, of compassion, of seeking that is an inspiration, joy, and a challenge, all at the same time. I'm honored to welcome you as a prayer chaplain, and I know that your prayerful presence will make a difference to so many lives here. Thank you for your willingness to serve, to learn, and to grow. Namaste.
Noel, you are a healer. I see that as the very truth of who you are. And so what an honor it is to have you say yes to owning that healing capacity that is the very truth of your being more firmly, more powerfully, anchoring it through the power of this teaching, through the power of affirmative prayer, bringing all your wisdom, bringing all that body wisdom, bringing all that joy, bringing all that compassion and that love. It is my honor, you get a new name tag, to welcome you as a prayer chaplain to Unity San Francisco.
Thank you. And Juanita.
Lucera, New Light.
Juanita. I have been getting the best hugs today. Everybody should try going away for 3 months and then come back. No, don't do that. Oh, Juanita, thank you. Your tenacity, your energy, your passion, your joy, your compassion for others is a gift to the world. Your willingness to go through this journey of understanding yourself so that you may serve others is a gift to you and to me and to this community. It is my honor to bestow this stole on you as I have done the 15 that preceded you, as a reminder that there is always God. There is always more capacity for love, more capacity for understanding, more capacity for truth. Let this be your reminder that we never walk alone and that there's always enough.
Oh, Juanita, I am so glad you're here. Your spirit, your strength, your courage, and your willingness to truly be of service, you radiate that, you live it. You are the fifth principle in action. Thank you for your yes. Thank you for your willingness to be present, to be transformed through the power of prayer, through the power of this magnificent community. It is my honor and my pleasure to welcome you as a prayer chaplain here at Unity San Francisco. And we have 3 prayer chaplains who could not be here with us today.
So we have Nelson Barry, Allie Langton, and Elizabeth Hager, who are also joining our prayer chaplain team. We bless them knowing that their wisdom, their knowledge, their heart is also part of this community. The truth of who they are shines in the smiles and in the eyes and these faces. We are blessed.
It is truly my honor, truly my pleasure to acknowledge you, dear, dear, dear. We love you so much. And speaking for my fellow prayer chaplains, and in many ways, and speaking for this entire congregation, we are so grateful for having you here. Actually, I was thinking I could just say ditto to everything the two of you shared with all of us, and it would be perfectly, exactly correct. But not enough. Because we love you so much. We are so grateful for having you in our lives. You have been so inspirational these last 3 months, and for as long as I can remember you being here, it was a pre-existing condition that you brought. It was so bright. No, I'm not going to stop yet. I have the hook. And we love you so much. We are so grateful for your wisdom. Thank you for being part of our lives.
Thank
So
you.
it is.
Oh, thank you, dear.
I want the extra height here.
So Deanne, last year, when we did the prayer chaplain retreat, the training retreat, right as we were about to leave, my father-in-law passed. And JD and I were flying out to Kansas to honor John David Strom, the first life and legacy. And you were able to step in and take the whole reins. And then this year, I decided to go away for 3 months, and she stepped up again. But not only with the prayer chaplains, with everything here. And with such integrity, such authority, such presence, such prayerful wisdom and grace and love, that I didn't have to worry. That didn't mean I didn't. But I didn't have to. And I was able to breathe. You are a gift to me, to this community. And I'm going to say it out loud for everybody to hear. I want her to stay doing what she's been doing, but with me here. So as my prayerful affirmation is that nothing changes. We just become additive. We keep adding to the wonderful good here, the good you bring, the joy, the peace you are. I'm honored to call you my friend, my supporter, my loving nudge that we all need. And I am blessed. Thank you. So stand with them and let us bless you all. So we have a blessing here at Unity. We love you. We bless you. We appreciate you. Love you, bless you, appreciate you. And we behold the Christ as you. For those of you who are new, we don't refer to Christ as a person, but as the principle of wholeness, of wisdom, of understanding that potential in all beings. So we love you, we bless you, we appreciate you, and we behold the Christ as you. Together? Prayer chaplains, we love you, we bless you, we appreciate you, and we behold the Christ as you. Namaste. Namaste. Let's all sing. When I pray, I feel my love go deeper. My love go deeper into my life. When I pray, I feel my love go deeper. My love go deeper into I invite us all to remember they will be in the prayer chaplain corner after service today. Stop on your way out for a quick prayer with them. Honor what they have done for each and every one of us.